Hello friends, welcome back again. Today we are going to make apple, lemon, beet and carrot juice. It is very healthy. Drink this on a regular basis if you want to look younger. Here are the fruits we are going to use: beet, lemon, apple, carrot. Let's get started. Cut the fruits into smaller pieces. Apple, carrot, beet, lemon, let's start blending. Apples are great source of fiber, vitamin C, and various antioxidants. They support the heart by lowering cholesterol levels. They also help in weight management. They help in controlling hunger and maintaining a healthy weight. They help also in promoting good digestion. Carrots are good for the eyes. They reduce the risk of vision problems. Carrots are full of antioxidants, which protect your cells from damage and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. The vitamins and antioxidants in carrots promote healthy skin and may slow down the aging process. You can see why you need it regularly for your skin to be shining. Beet helps to lower blood pressure. Drink this juice all the time to regulate your blood pressure. Also recommend it for those who have high blood pressure. Beet help your liver to function very well. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, which makes your immune system stronger and help the body to fight infections. The acids in lemon juice help in digestion process. Lemons are also very good for your skin. My people, we are done. You can see how beautiful they are looking. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Please watch out for the next video. Share, like, and God bless you. Bye.